Second bit in this fourth set, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Right. Here just we will simplify here. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta and secant theta means 1 by cos theta. Similarly, 1 plus cot theta means cos theta by sin theta and this cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Right. So here what I did here, just I will write here tan theta, instead of this tan theta I have taken as sin theta by cos theta, and this secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta means what? Cos theta by sin theta. Right. Cosecant theta means what? This cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, that is 1 by sin theta. So my dear students, I use these formulas. Right. Now here cos theta 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. So here the LCM is cos theta, that means cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into what? Here the LCM is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Right. Just close the bracket. I will write this third sum again. Space is not enough. Okay. Right. See my dear students, here this cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 times cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 means this is in the form of a plus b times a minus b. That means a square minus b square by sin theta times cos theta. Just I will write the identity here. We use the algebraic identity here. What is that? A plus b times a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So my dear students, here cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square. Right my dear students, this is equal to, just expand this. Expand a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? It is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So my dear students, here cos theta plus sin theta means, if you expand here, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. So my dear students, here what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? We have an identity, no? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to 1. So instead of this cos square theta plus sin square theta, what do you write there? 1. So 1 plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by, in the denominator, sin theta into cos theta. So this minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So this is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta by, what is in the denominator? Sin theta cos theta. So my dear students, here this sin theta cos theta cancel. Finally this result is equal to 2. Now coming to the second question here in this first set, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Right. Look here students. Here my dear students, just expand this a plus b whole square. This sin theta plus cos theta whole square, just expand using a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. What about this a minus b whole square here? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So my dear students, using these two identities, algebraic identities, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, just let us expand this sin theta plus cos theta whole square and sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Here this is a and this is b. That means sin square theta plus b square means cos square theta plus 2 into ab, that means sin theta into cos theta. a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, coming to this one, my dear students, sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Now, if you observe here, this plus 2 sin theta cos theta and minus 2 sin theta cos theta both get cancelled. Then, my dear students, here, what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. Again, the sin square theta plus cos square theta is also 1. So, let me write the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is equal to 1. So, instead of the sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can write 1. Again, here sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. So, the answer for this sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 2. What is the third question here? Evaluate secant square theta minus 1 times cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, have a look here. See, my dear students, we have an identity. What is that identity? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So, from this, secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Similarly, here, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Right, cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So, my dear students, using these identities, secant square theta minus 1 means what? Tan square theta. This is equal to tan square theta into what is cosecant square theta minus 1? That is cot square theta. So, that is cot square theta. Please don't forget to write these identities. Wherever the identities are required, please write. Okay. So, otherwise don't write directly the tan square into cot square theta. We have to show the reasons why this tan square theta and cos square theta are written here, right? So, this tan square theta means what? 1 by cot square theta into cot square theta. Again, write the what reason here? What is the reason? This tan theta is 1 by cot theta. That means this tan theta is 1 by cot theta. So, here this both cot square theta cancelled. Finally, it is equal to 1. It is equal to 1, right? So, we have finished this second and third sums in this first set for. This is the second question in exercise 11.4. Exercise 11.4, second question for AP board students, right? Please look here. See, my dear students, what is LHS given here? Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. This LHS should be equal to what? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, right? Let us take LHS here, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. See, my dear students, here, this cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square here, look here, this cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square, this cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Similarly, this cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, right? That is 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Look, just here sin theta both are equals. That means 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, my dear students. So, this is equal to, let us split this square to both numerator and denominator. That means 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. So, this 1 minus cos theta whole square can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Why? A square means how do you write A into A times A. Like that 1 minus cos theta whole square means 1 minus cos theta times again 1 minus cos theta. But this sin square theta means it is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, my dear students. But again this 1 minus cos square theta means it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is 1 minus cos theta times 1 plus cos theta. That means instead of this sin square theta we can write it as, instead of this sin square theta we can write it as 1 minus cos theta times 1 plus cos theta. So my dear students, 1 minus cos theta times 1 plus cos theta, right? Here both get cancelled. Finally it is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this is RHS. Hence it is proved. This LHS it is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. That means cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Let me explain this sum. Why this sum is important? Most of the times this sum is given for the public board exams, right? Just take what is given in LHS, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. See, cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta, cot theta means cos theta by sin theta, cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Let us substitute here 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. So this is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. So just split this square to both numerator and denominator. We have an loss of exponents we have a law. What is that? Property a by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. Based on that, just splitting this square to numerator and denominator, then this is 1 minus cos theta whole square means 1 minus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta by this sin square theta means here I wrote 1 minus cos square theta. Using sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Using the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? So that means sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So here 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. Instead of this sin square theta, just I have written 1 minus cos theta times 1 plus cos theta. So both get cancelled. So 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, that is RHS. LHS is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. We proved that 1 minus cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Hence it is proved. Third sum here. Third sum. What is the third sum here in this exercise 11.4? Show that root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A, it is equal to secant A plus tan A. It is equal to secant A plus tan A. Actually this sum is given in 8.4, exercise 8.4, sixth sum in fifth set, sixth bit in fifth set for CBSE students. Okay, right. Please look here. It is very important, students, and the same sum is given in this type of sum. Similar sum is given in example also. That is example 15 for AP board students. Example 15. Okay. See my dear students, here take the LHS here first. What is LHS? 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. This is LHS, 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Here, what is it in the denominator? 1 minus sin A. Just rationalize the denominator here. rationalize the denominator. That means we should multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 minus 1 plus sin a, right? That means 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a by what? Again write 1 plus sin a. What I have done here, just multiply 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a with both numerator and denominator, right? Why? The reason here is the rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin a is 1 plus sin a. Okay, so my dear students, it is equal to root of 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, that is 1 plus sin a whole square by, this is a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? It is equal to a square minus b square. So my dear students, instead of this 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a, we can write 1 minus sin square a. Of course, 1 square means 1 only. So 1 minus sin square a. Okay. See, look here my dear students. Now this 1 minus sin square a means what? 1 plus sin a whole square by, this 1 minus sin square a means cos square a. We have an identity, first identity. What is that? Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So here this 1 minus sin square a means cos square a, no? So cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So from this identity my dear students, this 1 minus sin square a means cos square a. Right. Let us what? Split the square root now to both numerator and denominator. That is 1 plus sin a whole square by root of cos square a. So square root cancel, that is equal to finally 1 plus sin a by cos a. So here now we come to the conclusion here. Finally my dear students, let us split this cos a. How? This is equal to 1 by sin a plus cos a by sin a. Right. So here 1 by sin a is cosecant a. 1 by cos a, no? Sorry. Here cos a is in denominator. So 1 by cos a plus cos a sin a by, here also I made mistake, sin a by cos a, right? See, 1 by cos a means secant a, sin a by cos a means what? Tan a. So this is secant a plus tan a. Okay, let me write the reason here. So 1 by cos a is what? Secant a, and sin a by cos a is equal to tan a. It is equal to tan a. Okay my dear students, now it is equal to RHS, right hand side, that root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. Okay my dear students, see, just I have taken the RHS, the rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin a is 1 plus sin a, so I multiplied both numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin a. Then what I did here, it is 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a means 1 plus sin a whole square. So 1 plus sin a whole square by, it is 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a means a plus b times a minus b, a square minus b square. That means 1 square minus sin square a. So this 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. So just write cos square a here. So this is 1 plus sin a whole square. Square root get cancelled. Again here square and root cancel. 1 plus sin a by cos a. Just split this cos a. How? 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos a means what? Secant a. Cos a, sin a by cos a is tan a. So this result is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved.